Hello children, welcome back to the online maths class at BMS School at home. Children, in today's class we are going to learn about the new unit, that is subtraction. Okay, so children, what is subtraction? Yes, subtraction is the operation of taking the difference of two numbers. Okay, so subtraction means we are taking the difference of two numbers. Okay, so the subtraction symbol is minus. The subtraction symbol is minus. The subtraction keywords are how many more, degrees, less than, take away, minus, difference, left, remains, subtract, how much more, and fewer, etc. Okay children. Okay, these are the keywords are used in the word problem to identify whether the particular word problem is subtraction or not. Okay, so children, these are the keywords are used in the word problem to identify whether the particular problem is subtraction problem or not. Okay children, so once again, what is subtraction? Yes, subtraction is the operation of taking the difference of two numbers. Okay, and the subtraction symbol is minus. Okay children. Okay children, now we are going to see about some examples related to subtractions. Okay children, subtraction of numbers. Okay, so subtraction of two digit numbers with regrouping. First we are going to see about the subtraction of two digit numbers with regrouping. Okay, so the first question, subtract 86 and 34. Okay, so what is the first step children? Yes, we have to write the place value box for these numbers, isn't it? These two numbers are two digit numbers. So the two digit numbers have two values. They are ones and tens. Okay. Now the next step is you have to write the numbers one below the other according to their place values. Okay. For 86 there are 8 tens and 6 ones. And the number 34 there are 3 tens and 4 ones. Okay, now children, we have to subtract these two numbers, so the symbol for subtraction is minus. Okay, now next children, we have to subtract the values in the ones place. Okay, how to subtract? Yes, you have to take the bigger number in your fingers. Okay, so which one is the bigger number here, 6 or 4? Yes, 6 is the bigger number. So children, please open 6 fingers now. Yes, then after that the smaller number is 4, isn't it? So you have to fold 4 fingers from 6 fingers. Yes, how much you got? The remaining is 2, isn't it? So first you have to open 6 fingers because the 6 is the bigger number and the smaller number is 4. So you have to fold 4 fingers. Okay, that means close 4 fingers. So the remaining finger is 2. Okay, so the answer is 2. Now children, you have to subtract the values in place. Okay, 8 and 3. So here the bigger number is 8. So please open 8 fingers and the smaller number is 3. So please close or fold 3 fingers. Okay, so 8 minus 3, yes, 5. Okay, so the answer is 86 minus 34, which gives us 52.
Okay children. Now let's look at one more example. Subtract 45 and 21. Okay children. So children, what is the first step? Yes, you have to write the place value box. Okay, these two numbers are 2-digit numbers, so the place value for these two numbers is ones and tens. Now the next step, you have to write the numbers one below the other according to their place value. So the first number is 45 and the second number is 21. So children, first write the bigger number. Okay, don't forget, you have to first write the bigger number. Okay, then the next step is you have to subtract these two numbers. Okay, so first you have to subtract the values in the ones place. Okay, so in the ones place the bigger number is 5, so please open 5 fingers, and the smaller number is 1, so please close 1 or fold 1. Okay, you have to please close one finger or fold one finger. So the remaining finger is 4. Okay, so 5 minus 1, 4. The next 4 minus 2 is 2. Okay children, so the answer is 45 minus 21, which gives us 24. Okay children. Children, now we learned the subtraction of 2-digit numbers without regrouping. Okay, subtraction of 2-digit numbers without regrouping. The next we are going to learn about the subtraction of 3-digit numbers without regrouping. Okay, subtraction of 3-digit numbers without regrouping. So the first question, subtract 765 from 988. Okay, subtract 765 from 988. Okay, so children, these two are 3-digit numbers, so the 3-digit numbers have 3 values. They are ones, tens and hundreds. Okay, so children, we have to subtract the numbers from 988. Okay, so among these two numbers, which one is the bigger number? Yes, 988 is the bigger number, so write the 988 at first. Okay, the next number is 765, then write the second. Okay, 765. Now what is the next step children? Yes, we have to subtract these two numbers. Now the next step, you have to subtract the values in the ones place. Okay, so the ones place values are 8 and 5. Here the bigger number is 8, so open 8 finger, and the smaller number is 5, so close 5 fingers. So the remaining we have 3 fingers. Then come to tens place. Here the bigger number is 8. Again open 8 fingers, and the smaller number is 6. So please close 6 fingers. Now we have 2 fingers left. Okay, so write 2. So 8 minus 6, 2. Okay, now we have to subtract the values from the 100 place. Okay, so the bigger number is 9, so please open 9 fingers, and the smaller number is 7. So children, please close 7 fingers, and remaining we have 2 fingers left. Okay, so write 2. So the answer is 988 minus 765, which gives us 223. Okay, now children, let's see one more example related to the 3-digit numbers without regroup. Subtract 272 from 398. Okay. Subtract 272 from 398. So children, these two numbers are 3-digit numbers. So the 3-digit numbers have 3 values. They are ones, tens and 100. Okay. So now what is the next step, children? Yes, you have to write the bigger number first. Here the bigger number is 398. Okay. So write 398 at first. Then the next number is 272. Okay. So write next. Now we have to subtract these two numbers. So write subtraction symbol minus. Okay. Now we have to subtract the values from the ones place. Okay. So here the ones place values are 8 and 2. The bigger number is 8 and the smaller number is 2. So please subtract 2 from 8. So we can get 6. Okay. Then we have to subtract the values from the tens place. The tens place values are 9 and 7. Here the bigger number is 9 and the smaller number is 7. Okay. So 9 minus 7 gives us 2. Okay. Now we have to subtract the values from the 100 place. Okay. So the 100 place values are 3 and 2. Here the bigger number is 3 and the smaller number is 2. So 3 minus 2 gives us 1. Okay children. So the answer is 398 minus 272, which gives us 126. Okay children. Children, the next topic is subtraction of 4-digit numbers without regrouping. Okay. Now we are going to see the 4-digit. Okay. We already learned 2-digit and 3-digit numbers. Now we are going to learn about subtraction of 4-digit numbers without regrouping. Okay. So the first question, subtract 1654 minus 1234. Okay. So children, these two are 4-digit numbers. So the 4-digit numbers have 4 values. They are ones, tens, hundreds and thousand. Okay. Now children, write the bigger number first. Okay. So here the bigger number is 7654. Okay. 7654 and the smaller number is 1234. Okay. Now children, what is the next step? Yes, we have to subtract these two numbers. So first we have to subtract the values in the ones place. Okay. So the ones place values are 4 and 4. Okay. Both the numbers are same. So open forefinger and close forefingers. We can get the remaining as 0. Okay. So if both the numbers are same, for the subtraction we can get answer 0. Okay. So children, for the subtraction, if both the numbers are same, the answer is 0. Okay. Then next we have to subtract the values in the tens place, that is 5 and 3. The bigger number is 5 and the smaller number is 3. So 5 minus 3, the answer is 2. Okay. Then next we have to subtract the values in the 100 place. Okay. The 100 place values are 6 and 2. So 6 minus 2 gives us 4. Okay children. Then next one, we have to subtract the values in the thousand place. The thousand place values are 7 and 1. Here the bigger number is 7 and smaller number is 1. So 7 minus 1, which gives us 6. Okay, so the answer is 7654 minus 1234, which gives us 6420. Okay children, now let's see one more example related to 4-digit numbers, related to subtractions of 4-digit numbers. Okay children, subtract 1008 from 5859. Okay, children, subtract the 1008 from 5859. So children, what is the first step? Yes, first you have to check whether these two numbers, first we have to write the place value for these two numbers. The place value for these two numbers are ones, tens, hundreds and thousand. Okay, then next we have to write the bigger number. Okay, so which one is the bigger number? Yes, 5859 is the bigger number. Then the smaller number is 1008. Okay, the next step you have to subtract these two numbers. So write the subtraction symbol minus. Okay, now children, you have to subtract the values from the ones place. The ones place values are 9 and 8. The bigger number is 9 and smaller number is 8. So 9 minus 8, the answer is 1. Okay, now subtract the values in the tens place. Okay, so the tens place values are 5 and 0. 5 minus 0, which gives us 5. So 5 minus 0, which gives us 5. And subtract the values in the hundred place. 8 minus 0. Okay, so if you have to add or subtract any numbers to 0, the value is that number itself. Okay children, so children, please remember this. If you are add or subtract any number to 0, you can get the same number itself. Okay, so 8 minus 0, the value is 8. Okay, then the last one, 5 minus 1, the value is 4. Okay children, so now write the answer. 5859 minus 1008, we can get 4851. Okay children, in today's class we learned the subtraction of 2-digit, 3-digit and 4-digit numbers without regrouping. Okay children, this is the end of today's class. Bye and happy learning.